todos, mi nombre es Randy Santel, Atlas, and I am very, very nervous tonight because I'm taking on the biggest burger challenge in Spain. I am in Molina de Segura of Murcia on the east coast of Spain. I'm at Los Pepes. I'm taking on their Gladiator burger challenge. Now, they have two challenges here. They've got about a 2-kilo burger called the Giant Burger Challenge, but this one has never been attempted before. It's the 3.5 kilogram or about 7.5 pound Gladiator Burger Challenge. Basically, it has 2 of the patties that's on the smaller burger challenge, along with a whole bunch of cheese, bacon, and then healthy vegetables. I know for the cheese, I went with a white cheese and then some cheddar cheese, a little bit of both. And then on the bottom, there's a bunch of lettuce, tomato, and some onions. But I've got 1 hour to finish this thing. If I fail, it's gonna be 50 euros. But if I win, I will get overall win number 642. I'll get the 50 euro meal for free. I'll get a sweet t-shirt to add to my collection, and I will be the very first person for winning this challenge up on the Wall of Fame. Let's get this challenge started. Alright, thank you to Los Pepes for setting up this event. I'm the very first person to take this challenge, and I am very, very excited. I said nervous at the beginning, but some people came just to hear me say very, very excited. So I'm no longer nervous, I'm very, very excited. I've got 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, boom. Alright, gonna start with the top patty and then work from there. We're just over 6 minutes in. The first patty is down. It was delicious. I think my first time in Spain having a fully cooked burger, but delicious so far. Let's get this second patty down and keep going. All right, 22 minutes and 45 seconds in. We've got all the meat, all that beef, all that bacon, even all the cheese is down. Now we just have all this healthy lettuce, tomato, and onions. Then we'll move on to the bun. But let's keep going. We've got an hour. I think we're gonna do it. All right, we're 30 minutes and 20 seconds in. We're halfway through the time limit. We've got less than 30 minutes left. Just buns, 600 grams of bread. Let's get it down. "39 minutes, 45 seconds in, still have over 20 minutes, let's get it." One more Diet Coke. Molina de Segura. 48 minutes in. I was the first person to attempt the challenge, very first person to win. Loved the seasoning on the beef. Really liked the two cheeses on there, the cheddar and the white cheese, but overall just a delicious burger. Big thanks to all of you guys. That one took a while. I appreciate everybody watching, and thank you guys for watching at home. Adios, hasta luego. And sois la polla.